As you use your phone to perform tasks online, your privacy and data are at risk. Fraudsters can track your activities and extract confidential data from your device and find a way to monetize it. Always keep a check on your phone's behavior. In this video, we'll be learning the codes you can use to check if your phone has been hacked. You will also learn the tips to prevent your phone from being hacked and what to do when your phone is hacked. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Let's get started. The first code is to dial *#06#. This will give you your IMEI, your International Mobile Equipment Identity. This is to know your IMEI. It is vital for lodging a police complaint or taking legal action. Your IMEI is a specific code tied to your phone hardware. If your device is dual SIM, you will get 2 IMEI numbers. It is important that you keep this safe if you want to lodge a complaint with the police. The next code is *#62#. This will let you know if your number is secure or not. It gives you complete information on whether or not your voice, data, SMS are being forwarded or diverted to any number without your knowledge. You simply dial *#62#. ##002#. When you dial this code, you will know if your call has been forwarded. It will erase all the forwarded calls as well as erase the data call, SMS call, or fax call. Your phone will be secure and the calls will not be forwarded. You simply dial ##002#. When you dial *#004#, you will be able to see who receives your calls or messages if your phone is busy, out of reach, or whenever you are on another line or you don't just want to answer the incoming calls. Simply dial *#004# to find out. The next code is *#67#. When you dial this code, it will inform you if the calls and messages are transferred to another number when you don't pick them. This is crucial, especially if you reject a call when you are on another line. Simply dial *#67#. Whenever your calls go unanswered, you can use *#61# to find out if anyone else is receiving them. This is because hackers normally intercept incoming calls and redirect them to a different line. If calls go unanswered, you may even notice the forwarding. Simply dial *#61#. To find out the list of devices to which your phone calls, messages, and search history are diverted to, dial *#21#. This is the diversion code, although a flaw in this redirection code is that it shows up in your phone bill. To find out the list of devices to which your phone calls, messages, and search history are being diverted to, dial *#21#. Here is the code to verify if your phone is being tracked. Hackers can easily track the location of your cell phone. Utilize special utility net monitor code if you suspect that cyber criminals are tapping or tracking your cell phone. The first one is for iPhone. Dial *3001#12345#*. This is for iPhone. For Android, dial *#*4636#*## or *#*#197328640#*#*. These are for Android. These are the codes you should use to know if your phone is being hacked. Here comes the tips to prevent your phone from being hacked. The first one is to use protection software on your mobile phone. Ensure your phone and its apps are updated. Use a password manager. Avoid public charging stations. Ensure your eyes is on your phone. While on the go, stay safer with a VPN. Always lock your SIM card. You can encrypt your phone. Avoid third-party app stores. And lastly, when you are not using your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, do turn them off. Lastly, when you find out that your phone is hacked, these are what you should do. Delete unrecognized applications immediately. Run trustworthy anti-malware applications. Reset your phone and passwords. Contact your service provider and inform your contacts. Always use these tips to prevent your phone from being hacked. You can use the codes to check if your phone has been hacked. And if eventually it is, take precaution. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this video was helpful. Please share and give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.